Grand Rising family, Grand Rising Black Phoenix checking in. This morning I was just hitting the block and I just so happened to run across a piece of real estate here in Little Rock that really caught my attention. And it made me just think about history, family. I'm 43 years old and I can't tell you no one who looked like me that owned things like this here. Own some real valuable real estate, not just houses, family, like hospitals, communities that we ran, that we own. We don't have any of that. We don't have any wealth. You see other nationalities coming over to this country, family, establishing great neighborhoods, great retail, hospitals, food, grocery stores. Like it's unreal, fam. And all we have is possessions, items that we bicker about, cars, different homes. Think that we just because we got this certain home, we in there, but we ain't producing any wealth. We ain't doing anything other than just embellishing ourselves. But our people ain't even rising. And I know it takes more than just a few. It takes a few people to get together and come up with a dream and really push it to do something. And I know it's gonna take someone special out of our community to really rise up and do something great, to get us together, put our money together. We got too much power, but we'll bicker between one another instead of coming together so we can build some real generational wealth. Family, this is real generational wealth. They probably been passing this down since it's been created. And whoever owned it been having stable money they can pull out of. It's probably in the trust. Things that we don't know anything about. But family, it's 2023, fam. And if I'm blessed to see another 20 years, maybe we'll have some real ownership. My daddy is 63 right now. And I'm 43. And I was just sitting here thinking how so much can change by the time I get to his age. But we got to do something, family. We just got to wake up, fam. If we're gonna have some generational wealth and really have something that can help our people, have some sustainable communities and have some government officials on our side, we gotta own something, family. Hold on.